Hi guys, hello, this is Gideon and I'm a friend of Dimple and I'm here to do a voiceover on her makeup tutorial. As you can see, she's pointing to her cheeks. Ano ba yan? Okay, first up is to do, what do you call this, a toner. To put a toner sa face to clean it, hindi ba? Para maging malinis. So, importante po na malinis muna lahat. Diba? Then, okay, what's this? This is a serum, the therapy serum, and then you put this into the cheeks, into the chin, and sa nose, and then spread it, para mas maging what do you call this, moisturize ang kanyang mukha. And then St. Ives renewing. Well, it's a cream, so probably this is for moisturize, for moisturizing effect, diba? To moisturize the face further. Dami naman pang moisturize pala. And ayan, dapat sprayhan to, I don't know, ayan, siguro mainit. No. And spray, and then ferment. To put this lip balm sa kanyang lips, to moisturize the lips. Importante na ma-moisturize ang lahat. So, yeah, don't forget to subscribe, by the way, to our channel. And click the like button. And the bell button as well. And then, put, ano nilagay niya? Nakalimutan ko, hindi ko nakita. Sorry. So, you have to put some cream, probably, in the face. Ang dami palang moisturizing products na nilalagay sa face mo. There you go. And then this one, yeah, okay, brush with, okay, this is probably the foundation. Lalagyan mo ng foundation ng inyong mukha to cover the skin, to cover the imperfections, and to cover everything. And ayan, may difference nga sa right and left. Iba yung pag nilagyan mo ng foundation, matatakpan nga yung instant, magiging mas malinis tingnan ng face. There you go. Okay, that's a sponge. Well, siguro para mas to spread the product evenly. Okay, on. And again, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Oh, that's okay. She's putting another, I don't know, foundation again. I'm not sure. And then she's gonna, okay, probably this is a concealer, right? To conceal kung ano man dapat i-conceal. Well, anyway, yeah, and then you try to what to call it, spread it para may bigote ka dyan, tips. And she's pointing the color of the powder. I don't know. Okay. And she's putting it on her cheeks to add some color, probably. I'm not sure. Oh, okay. To contour. Yeah. Yun nga. Para magkaroon ng contour ang kanyang mukha. Paano bang purpose ng contouring?
I have absolutely no idea what's going on.
Siguro to emphasize yung shape ng mukha. I'm not really sure. Final powder nakalagay. So you're gonna put some powder again. So I just wonder, pag nilagyan mo yun, hindi ba yun mabubura yung iba? But anyway, so put some powder there, here and there. Voila. Yun. And then, okay, this time to put some, what do you call this, eyebrow thingy, eyebrow whatever. para sa eyebrow. Okay nga, may difference nga no, in terms of the appearance of her brows. And yan, lagyan, and then a brush to make it look more natural, perhaps. And what's this? Lalagay mo ba ng para siyang white white out yung nilalagay, yung pambura sa sa ink, sa papel. Is that it? Well, I'm not really sure, but probably it's not. But then I don't know what's the purpose of this. Probably to add some color sa kanyang mata. And then yan, brush. And then brush it more hanggang sa maging even. Morph, I'm not sure. And tinuturo niya yung parang pink color. And then put some brush. And then don't forget to subscribe once again, ladies and gentlemen. And then she's gonna put some color in her eyes. Ano ba tawag din? Eyelids. Yun, mas naging buhay yung kabila than the other. Then put again on the other side. Minsan believe talaga ako sa mga babae kasi ang galing nilang hindi matusok yung mata ba. And then there, what's that? She's putting another white color para magkaroon ng parang gradient, I don't know, effect. And then she's putting the same color on the lower eyelids para pantay, di ba? There you go. And then long lasting. Okay, this especially is a really very good skill of women, wherein imagine mo yan, hindi nila natutusok yung mata nila, and it's really amazing to do that. It's difficult, I think. Kasi parang feeling ko if guys are gonna do that, I mean siguro tusok na yung eyeballs. Anyway, moving on. I don't know what she's putting right now, but then it's probably para mas maging singkit pa ng konti yung mata. And she's putting some on the corners. And then to move on to the nose, putting some what they call this, contour sa nose to make it look more slender. And what's this? This is cheek color to make the cheek more vibrant and lively, para hindi lang siya mukhang multo, but then it will make the face become more lively and vibrant. And then just clean brush. I don't know, hindi ko alam kung anong nilalagay niya, but then there you go. Okay, and she's putting some white stuff on her nose. May difference nga, no? And then I don't know if she's putting the same thing on her eyebrows and on her lips. Then she's now preparing to put a lipstick or lip tint, right? This is a tint. Yes, it's not a lipstick, but lip tint. Okay, there it says lip gloss. Okay, so put lip gloss on top of your lipstick or lip tint to make it look shinier, right? And then to the eyes. Napaka amazing din ang skill na yan. Parang feeling ko buti hindi natutusok yung mata nila, no? Right? there and do some more retouch, fixing the eyes, and to make the eyelashes look longer and more, what to call this, fuller. And voila, there you go, the finished product. Nice. I don't know what she's going through for this look, but it looks fresh and very vibrant, and you can go out in the day using this makeup. So there you go, guys. And pose here and pose there. Konting padding ng ulo, pose. And there you go.